Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete TikTok Shop seller account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to delete your TikTok Shop seller account, all you gotta do is simply tap open your TikTok Shop. So once you're here, you need to simply log in into your TikTok Shop seller account and sign in with your credentials. Then navigate to account settings. Simply once you're there, you need to access within my account section and click on account settings and scroll down to find the option called close shop account option. So click on it to begin the closure process. Or first of all, you can also unlink your TikTok Shop by your TikTok ID and verify your identity. Then TikTok will send a verification code to your registered email or phone number. Simply enter the code to confirm your identity and ensure your shop meets all the necessary criteria for closure. Once this is done, you will be able to simply delete your TikTok Shop seller account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.